We are Alex and Megan, or as we like to call ourselves, the Slow Roamers. We live and travel in our adventure van in search of epic landscapes, delicious food, and all of the experience we can get our hands on. Hop on in and join us for the ride.
Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. The time has come that we're finally at the very southern end of Baja, and it's kind of time to, set our compass north and head back to the States. So this video is just going to be a big old collection of our favorite experiences as we head north over the next 2 weeks. We're going to hit up a bunch of our favorite spots, but also try and find a few new spots that we've never been to. Right now we're just going to a little spot north of Todos Santos. We're going to spend a couple days there, and then we're going to get after it, get back to the US, and see, got some new adventures there. So come along with us as we travel north through the entire Northern Peninsula. Woo!
Max and Rachel had been to this oceanside beach spot north of Todos Santos a few weeks prior. While we had sat on the eastern side of the peninsula, attempting, in vain, to hide from the wind, they had sat here for a number of days enjoying relative calm. However, while the winds had calmed on the east side of the peninsula, they had picked up on the west side. Yep, that norte wind still seems to be chasing us around Baja. With our northward journey now well within our sights, we gave ourselves a moment of pause to reflect on all that we had seen and experienced on our southbound travels. It all seemed to happen too fast, almost 2 months behind us in the blink of an eye. No!
It was like a long line of dolphins just going.
Oh, shoot.
Pancakes with a view.
Our plans had been to stay in this spot for 2 days, but with the wind forecast to pick up in strength throughout the next few days, we made an executive decision to head northeast to La Paz.
Mesa!
Watch your face. No.
You're a psycho dog. No, it's mine. It's mine, Mesa.
Baja had not been easy on anyone's vehicle. Napkin's transmission was starting to slip consistently, and Sam and Carly's 4Runner was starting to voice its opinion about the abuse as well. Nappy's stalling out. You can do it, buddy! What is that racket? Little did Max and Rachel know, Napkin had a new problem brewing.
11.9 volts. Still on? Yeah, belt's on. What do you think of these van life adventures?
Broken.
Broken. Misa, you shovel eater, huh? You shovel eater? You gonna fix the van? You gonna fix Napkin? All right, Max, tell us what's happening.
Well, the fuse from the alternator to the battery, with all of these dirt roads that we've been on, bleep that, has gotten loose. And then because it was loose, it created some heat and melted my fuse holder. And then that in turn was not charging my DC-DC charger wasn't charging. So I was like, what's going on?
Good old WeldTec's coming in hot.
Yeah.
There you go. So Max and I have figured out a possible solution. We're gonna take baling wire and take the A&L fuse out of that fuse holder, and then basically just tie the fuse onto the cable and then wrap it in duct tape, and that should get us to La Paz, where we're going today.
It's on everything and something else will go wrong. So.
All right, there you have it. That's effectively what we're gonna do to the other side, and then we're gonna duct tape it.
Yeah, it's like brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. We just like run this forever.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good to go.
All right, there you go. That's how you fix a bad fuse holder. You make your own out of baling wire. Yeah, like you said, good as new.
Good as new.
Like it never happened.
Always carry baling wire.
Always carry baling wire. Word of the day, baling wire. All right, Napkin started.
Ew.
Looks like we're ready to go. That's still up though. Thumbs up.
Napkin's protest momentarily silenced, we pressed on towards La Paz. I had been keen to get myself some birria tacos before departing Mexico, so while in the city, we stopped at Birria Tijuas.
Oh, much delish. This is how you vlog, guys. Just like this. You get whoosh, 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 whoosh.
The tacos were supremely delicious. We'll definitely be returning. It was becoming apparent to everyone that we were living our final days together in Baja. Sam and Carly would be staying in Baja for a while longer than us, and when we reached the US, Max and Rachel would be going their separate way as well. It was decided that we would stay together for just a few more days outside of La Paz. A short drive later, and we had arrived at possibly the nicest spot we had seen on the trip.
Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Well, good morning. We've found this little spot just outside of La Paz that pretty much blows away most of the spots that we've been on, considering how close we are to the water and how calm it is here. See this beautiful emerald water that is super clear. Yeah, not bad. I think it's going to be a really chill day here today.
Ironically, during this impromptu couple of days, we finally experienced what we had been searching for. Calm, clear, emerald water, beautiful sunsets, and heat. So much heat. As far as we were concerned, our time on the southern peninsula was complete. After weeks of different beaches, jungle spots, tacos, sourdough bake-offs, and memories shared with friends, this was the cherry on the cake. We have learned that our passions lie in the wide open spaces where there's still adventure and risk, but a place like Baja Sur can certainly be enjoyed for a while. As we sat there on that beach and looked onward to our journey back north, our thoughts began to dwell on mountains, rivers, lakes, and all of the adventure that the north holds. Thank you for being here with us and following along on our adventures. If you want to help spread the word about our wanderings, the best way you can help us is to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and let us know how we're doing in the comment section below. And until next time, remember to keep on roaming.